Eja na akwa hin. Yo boy. Kwa hin.
Me koko two ties me nya bi.
Wa nya bi.
Ya bi mama nyo. We free kwa.
We je meki.
Debi esa na ma ya Akwadaa boni. Me du achikra ni hia panyi bi a bobo kubo.
Yo boy yo ya Akwadaa.
Yo. Mfa ko fie ho.
Mfa ko fie.
Ne mama me na ase a nti bia no me du.
Yo me du achi. No nyina yakọ.
Every day, ukofum bia so onya aduane. Na dia bego na wudi. Ene maje. Koton dia bo me ho hwe. Banya. Oka de so a enyem a ene bi a different boy. Koton be bancha obabre wa kotu. Ga o kodu.
Bio ma me filafu mu banye ma me de ba waje ni ma so de ba be si mi fie onfa ma ne ko ani wo ko ren ani me ko na ho akwa akopam ni ma mka jo na sese ma hu ni ma na aso be si kuro mu ha ne kura enye Ago ina aso na mi anu che na ko ba yo se jo ba wa hin won fa wa ba bi wa ma ko afuom me so banchi ni bode ni mi ja mi hia wo na ne wo so ko no ma to enu ma to ko ya so won kura no ma
wa jo boy
no wo se na o bere na fa ne me ma me kwa me se ye metin wo so na wo bere na fa ma me da ne ma so adwo ba ma beduru fie wo so adi besi mo me ba wodi manim afa de me twa manya me twa me hwa maki woni wo ana ja me de me ba fie me beduru ho anye ma nyi wo enti ma ba me ba beje me niema ba nche bode eja guso e wo dwo boy de agia besi mo
eye me na dwo boy
dwo boy
ehia wo eye wo ma me nya me che ajo niema so odi koja wo fie
koja me fie
ye wurade humi mobo wate wo ma fie anopa wo to pia fa eja bra bi mu
na fra na maji me niema ba bri wa de me ko afu mu ko tu banche ope bode ni ja e ma na dwo boy me fie anopa na wo fa
na huna ma niema eno nya me che ba apa oba papa
dabi esra dabi niema dia won se me maji me niema fra banche ni mankan ni bo ba bri wa mi ti okura me te form maji me niema
mi ni me sa wo te form minimum say what from. Dabi kan wa koma to
na koma de men ka je so na ne ba ha. O de nyama ne besi ha.
Sesi ya wo ni fie. So hu. Wo ni fie sesi ya a wo de nyama na aye de aba ha. Enso e bi kura na bia wasan wo ho.
Dabi wo di mani. So wo di mani mo. Wo ni maki no wasan mo di mani mu na am so di na ki manu de ofa.
Wo we. Mesra kan wa koma to yem. Mia nkasa mekwa abonten mu makwa akɔpɛn mabusabusa na namfofo no ebia wa woni mene no ma tutuo ne na botutuo sese kwa wo gina baabi etotai na ne wi afri ne ho sa ne yema ne si ho
ene wa ka mate me ko be do me na sa me niema no wa mfa ma mi fie di a ene de besi kurom akora enye ni
kwa ko mato ye de medie kura ka me de bebro wate
ne mate
enti wo de ko mekwa akɔpɛn no wa
pene yo ka me mpene wo kura wo no na na me gim bank ne mbo de
medase eno nyame che dua wie o
ya nyaade
ye do boy be kumi o me ti we se ma che me hu nya men ka kura me hu na do boy na akume me hu a do boy na akume atete ena sei ade che sei we di complain we di charge we di complain eh do boy oh wo ba na so ade na de bia wo to ba bi nka aminka he never home for them and for the dear Penaka. I pray my men.
Yo. I don't know what you say. Oh, no, you may have mentioned me. I'm a really bad. I don't go in. Because you know somebody can say, man, I say, you must wait, Johnny. You will come. And you can be coffee alcohol with the whole like you have a coswa. No, this is there. Ah, you. Why you be an idea? I didn't see. Me do me flow, you might live on you. Hello, then it's going. Yeah. The old they watch me here. Did you imagine who? Yeah, when you be a baby, the way that. Hey, Joe, Nanchina money are you your friend say? Eleven, blog on Yenna. Minyaska. This time in Swaja. Men who sell quick money on the Nadia Maswaja baby. It's really yes, can. Sam Pedonte. Be seeming yes, car. Never means them back on you. You back up, you back up and only baby scanning free. Maria, see you back up and made it good. And I'm not so our Bia Bobia Bemwa, a 50-50. Aye, you are saying. I don't go here. Who is a man or children to be here and have a toy? You may share that, we share that, we back a crab. We can't have the other. No, in rain a couple of years, waiting, you tell them at 20 in your car. But your crime, do you? Johnny. No, I'm move you. No, no. No, but you do on your beak, one and I'm not what design I show you. Tobacco, no tobacco. What the camera is saying? And go, you made my program. Who is going, Brogo? There, the many marijuana in the elbow. Marijuana, I'm no humble. No more. Shannon's will seek a bone to man. No baby, a mission or how you cool, no magic. We say, Mamma, or 2 young cron. The bunch. I'm not me beating is a medical jan. And I'm a G banchino. And I'm a good sure banchino. And I'm the other 2 ill on you, and I'm the Biaton, I'm the Diacaso Coto. Oh, by a really gub. Adria Bobby Abba 50-50.
Joboy.
Ah, 1 minute be. The winning na break na be wu awu. Me ba dwen se wo.
Adi ba o ya wo enfum tu.
Aye.
Ma me enum na tipu me. Kura ye na enu hom. Into the kwete wakoton ma me yi ampa. Bro se ntima me onku.
Oh me. Until ma betina ni. Ofa na mafa. Ofa na mafa.
No go fe kete ona na ende.
Na ze banjim kura me a. See is believing you. See is believing. The ye hunu na edi ho adanse. Be ka che me na say. Ma me wo sole wo tubanche twabode. Unti mi kura wo fa bi nya doye.
O me numa to.
Wo numa to na me twen. Katadia kan so mo. So ma de enko.
Yo we ma me kata me so.
Wo numa to dia o ye mu so ato.
Yo we ma me kata me so. She kroma won peduabo.
Ah?
So ndo kroma won peduabo.
Sase.
So ndo peduabo. So nza.
Me.
Kwa me agyi. Eduabo ne kuno. Ayi efete obi ekotiri kokwagu apaso. Atama awo akotsa akantema ekoton diye eduabo ne kuno.
Kwa me agyi no me. Kwa me agyi no me na ni emre ndi na eduabo ne kuno.
Hwe sister ayi efese wa wo ho.
Na me nua no
efese wa ye nyɛ kɔre na so.
Ensuo na ode bobo.
Ade kuro ye bi.
Ensuo na
obi roba.
Ensuo na ade ne bobo mdua.
Ene ko nsuo ene paaye. Ɔse nyɛ ɔno a. Ene ne ebo ndua. Ene ɔno nso de ewu.
Me si nsuo na ade bobo mdua no madam fo no me didi kura me flewo mo so me didi. Enya de mbekume. Masa. So awi o te ekika kan.
Ma me kwa na eba. Ebuade na. Ana. Nyono.
Owe.
Nyono.
Ai.
Ah nyono.
Ele me pesa o. Me pesa o ati. Uyo manim duro bi se de ati ana. Me pesa o. Enimachi.
Ise kuro na de teguma emu awo.
Enimachi.
Yo boy.
Enimachi.
Ma ye ni boy. Yo boy ni o.
Yo boy. Jaha. Me so asem jaha. Na da say, ehe na say wu bi ho ba.
Kwada mi free.
Bia na mi musa wasam.
Ye ba se.
Wu ma me nya me cha ba ha se sia sa wo frafuo mu ba. Wo hia no, age ne niema sa wo de kwa akogya no wo fie. Banchi ama, body ama, eja ama, aduane na wai.
O se wan.
Ma me nya me che. Wo na nya me che wa ba.
Ene bia na ye nam daye no, daye mu no kasa na me aduane de me de ye de.
Jo boy.
Anama nana yada na ye mienu yada na ye so daye mo.
Eh ewrade
nya. Me na me nya me che de banji de me de kwai.
Ei, eti che se ma me na sam na oba fie ha na oba kan ya me wo
na me so banji. Na ya me nya sa de no kra ye ntumi ku akra wo.
Me tu ku asa wo kan na wo su ntumi ku a ene ye se no kura wa basa na wo foko me.
Ma me wo me so banji ana me ye gale aduma.
Che se ma me na sam na oba fie ha na oba kan ma me no wo boa wo.
No mo a me ye sure see yada na ye kase because you know it.
Sabe ko to sa jo boy na. Aha, so wi.
Joboy,
banche otoma mi nti eye.
Ade.
Nti banche we otoma mi eye.
Ede adia.
Ade, banche na otoma mi no rafi. Mimi fa me nkura. Fa mi sika ma mi o banche na otoma banche na atensene no. Mimi fa me. Ede atam na wo ka.
Mimi ye banche. Me na me manufacture banche.
Sa na wa ka che.
Me na me ye banche. Me na me bo banche.
Sa na wa ka che. Bu rafi so na otoma banche ne ma mi. Nti dai. Man pa to de ma mi ni ndi hansa.
Edu ni uko to Kumasi boda. Ana kejeti anka abasa de akọ.
Wo to banche na man busaw. Ana wo se banche wo fo banche ti banche na eye.
Eti bi ye kurufasa. Se banche no be ya de yana be.
Jo boy, me pa cho. Fa mi sika ma me.
Mas ewura kodi na pesie.
Mimi kodi na pesie. Ka chi ka sa le ho. Anya sadia me di ba ya wo we be fi wo.
If you hang me again, I will destroy you.
Nde wo bua. Me sa woni ma me na me temi ko report to Central Police Station. Me di buffalo car 6 ko che no. Sa woni ma. Wo ya. Na me frɛ president say kwa wo no ma no nya wo ba yere frɛ wo no nana.
Buffalo ni bia so be so me nsanka me di ba je.
Obraba so ko frɛ president.
Me frɛ president say ma.
Mo be yira fi krom ha.
Mo de get ti na me papa president na wo sia. Me timi ata.
We are what on kurukuri ni ade wa wo president number.
Me pa atwa mi de me se fam sika ma.
Me
ama me sanka.
Ba me banchi mam na di.
O banchi ni.
Oh.
Banchi.
Me say oh.
Me fam sika ma.
There be why
Chewu. Me fam sika ma. Me se fam sika ma.
No for me
Me fam mo ho no for me.
Why a mistake? Let's a banchi ne ho no way.
Eni me come na cratch me ka dia show us. Me say eni me come na.
Ne ho ni ade so dia ko.
Me fam sika ma.
Magu me ha me ho du a. Asem wa ye rofa, asem da to. Wo ye rofa. Asem da to.
Ba wo je
Leave me alone.
Me say fam sika man, ba do say for dia
ba wo ti yo.
Wo so me bua, dia wo ne busu bia equipment man. Aka body.
Ma me for dia.
Me kwa ba o kwesi ada me ba ha no ano no.
Enyamia. Nim say ya na me ya de ja. Me so me check me lines. Oh why fe.
Go fuck it up.
Me ya ofre ha yo.
No me ya ni ben de. Ti say nyamia ya me.
E rade.
Bon sample pro ma fre ha ya me.
Ma fre sister. Me ya mitimi hu.
How was it?
Sister. E bompa na me worry be me nua. Awo pa me da wo sam ni sumia na da.
Si Akwadaa.
Me ho nya fe on. Na de.
Me na nso. Ene bia wo so awo system kakra.
De me sem, na me sem. Me mpa be me bi.
O so mi wura wani de so boa.
Ene wo ji wani wo.
Papa bi.
Kasa na mre ya. Wo ya mama ho
ya.
ya.
Me pacho class o me misika ni adwuma. Me pacho apa adwuma ye. Can you believe this?
Oh chef ye pena, why was why ya kese do?
What?
Enye.
Sika same.
Me nya kan pemu.
Mati se here ya pa na me experience bi de.
Na. Ya na kese bi so wase. Me ya na sa ho sa. Ha me yumnua. Me de me da dwene ho pa o pese mi bisa na. Me nim se de me bisa, me nim se de obesi afasa.
Say ya wasama me throw kwan fam.
Aw,
me throw.
Awo de nya no kra de ase na me de metimi. Nya. Na me say. Papa ye visa wo ware ni wie. Me hu ni busuani bia da ware ya se won so ko se samafo. Sister ho no me dwene ho pa me am se na me wie yi print woni abusua na. Sister nti ho na ha me pa mpese me hu ade kropote pa. Ma dwene ho sa.
E ma no ha ko. Family na no anu ku. E ba ma bu kwa na se me ji wo ma. Don to wa de ho.
Nti so to oni akuma, oni aso, oni hwe.
Me ware yi wo bi ni hu bi. Na me no na busana. Me ka pa wase na busu ma se mo de. On kan me. I worried for so many years. Ninya problem bia. But you need bia metete me wa ha. Ono aso mo busu ni bia di nche me tide na me ba ma busu asma be ha me. Oni obi a me de me pema de sa. Eza.
Honey.
Afu papa.
Salam.
Na bo sen. Tamu ko sa.
Hello. Love, how are you?
I'm fine. Can I bear my
Oh.
But we are more than fine, jealous.
You're jealous.
Oh, say a normal time.
What
that's
the next
Tracy, now maybe I ain't in our quiet.
Oh, there be me for sure they book crew from Mamma come. Why? Would they make from? Oh, there be more call. Oh,
money out, my wife.
Be trying.
Hey,
Papa. Okay. Huh?
The result is the same. The fertility test we went to do at the hospital. I'm so confused. The result is the same as all the rest. It confirms that there's nothing wrong with us.
So what is happening? How many years in this marriage?
It's so confusing.
How many years am I going to remain barren? Even if there's something wrong with you, how old am I?
You know, since all the results confirm that there's nothing wrong with the two of us, what we have to wait is to wait on God.
For how long?
God's time. God's time is the best. God's time is
I'm
the
a
best.
woman. God, just bless me with only one. I'm not asking for much. And for how long?
Well,
You're not getting younger.
yeah, I know. Let's wait on God.
Should wait.
Oh my God.
Yes. Papa. Mom put me away. Baby girl, now I know I eat easy. Then I have me.
Mom, watch my nose.
What's wrong? Nada. I can't say you well. Nice.
And yes, I'm here.
Obey your home, sir. A coon nipper, papa. Minimobi, I drink a coon. What were then how ye can't do a problem? Wouldn't need problem. Kitty.
So,
ah, then palm it to one and quam it is me and Ned. Casamacati.
we are so bad, so quite unless a one. Now, yes, I would the bucket I consume. Echo sense you are one fashion. Obey, no pain. You can't come and see me a banana pia come or you see or be in the shop in the
I'm not crying a man book your friend catching on. They said this one is out in your mother, no drew.
Till I see me about me. Whatever Mrs. and one look about me, who is sappy. No worry, papa, me is big. But some of it now, or the foul we are sharing is any. Wouldn't see a quiet testing. The same result Nana's about. Testing said there's nothing wrong with me. Me couldn't so shame.
Nada.
So, only baby, a papa or boy, or tear for dropping no could say, rather, mother said. Bonnie Bang. It's me benin no more. Yes, son, what's not our yes, son. Me would you mean walk to a big crana? Papa, you Fred, you mamma, no in the bed now. It's all Fred, you ma, or Pono Babana, me, Mrs. Bosom is swan, me did cry and cook.
Nice.
Send me booming, sir. Now you miss soon, I will 1 year. For how long? And I mean, this one, I think you will be a sister. Interesting.
Nice, your baby be a married. Bible said, I didn't men fast the more married. They be a men can say they are banning, and I am me too. Then Yamin, me, young or your man. Yame, when you are dear, your mother. No more yama. Sister, a be out a prayer or so for 1 hour. Ada na won twene awurade blewie dura. Wo beche ye ba akon ode amaye. Sister kuma to ye. Na me no. Me de ha adwen so nkan ha bebe say be man won tete na me problem pa ni sa sha. Dachi. Papa ifri mu abusuani, they say what else dey hu busuani o. Na me afasa amanda choko film say king busuani bia ba be fe japade am na kodi baby. Eno ni ade ame me dey ha me o. E say say ben mu dia.
Ma me dream ho kra. A japade kra dey any say.
Na me ka o say trace ma me ho sister ba sa ya so me.
Japade any say. Omo je japade ni nyina na ye pam mi si abonten. Ma fa me bag bi say na ka me baby shemachi. Ma fa me bag si na ka me so me bansa minim se dachi me nyini no me da kwa me baby be hwebe me ma me antra se mama nhwe no awurade nche me ba ko wate
nice ya ba dem fa bibia merade na memre
mi pie wona so pe oda ko kejasa so no na mi kwa
si ne ho so ha wotimi adwuma ball pow ma wa husa no was sister
ne pow na wo ka o
ne blue yes
na ka adwuma ko de akamate ka papa yi so se wo de gina ho na yesa no to won pa mu
na wo tente sa no
sa na we mo ye nkomo bi man komo bi aye nkomo bi na ka baby apia
ka baby de wo di cheme ne kwa
mi kuna nyi se mi na me do kwat Iwadi mama ba ko.
Eradi chemi nwe ba ko ate. Na papa ni wa amrem. Say utu pasa na se hwe ma na se wo ye adwuma ye hu. Eradi cheye ba ko ai. Cheye ba ko. Nka po ba na bebe no.
Me de bia no be. Inti ode.
Yenye
fona. She yenko mere wona. Wai yenko she no mama wona.
Na wa hu niema me so kuya so wadi niema aba on so wandi we hwehwe ni mu
enti na me ba ye senki yam anope me dware se me ba na opa dia me ho sem se
Nancy. Nancy.
Yes, yes.
Please see who is at see who is at the gate.
Oh, okay. Oh, Lawyer.
Ah, lawyer. Oh, lawyer Frank, you are welcome.
Thank you very much. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Lawyer, what can I offer you?
Oh, that's okay. I think I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Not even
No, lawyer, please.
Sure,
This is your so please take some.
People say so.
So how's the day?
Fine, very fine. I guess you're okay too.
We are fine.
Thank God.
Let us bring the drink before we talk.
Yeah, people say so, but I thought I was okay.
No, you have to take something in my house.
Thank you. Thank you.
Honey, can you still have this one?
Thank you.
Honey, so I'll be in the kitchen.
No, please come and sit down.
Oh.
There's nothing secretive about what we're going to discuss.
Really?
Yeah. After all, lawyer, Akwadaa is part of this family. Yeah.
Really?
Lawyer, you are welcome.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Mr. Martin.
Yeah.
I had a call to be here this morning, so well, I'm here to listen to why you called me.
Yeah. You know, we've been dealing with this insurance company for many years.
Of course.
But I'm no longer interested in their services.
Oh.
Because they've increased their premium so high that it is outrageous. So I want to change from this company to another insurance company.
Oh.
I want you to give me the legal implications and advice so that I will make such a move from this insurance company to another one.
Okay. Well, I think it's not a bad idea though, because if premiums are high, there are other options. But then, okay, Mr. Quartin, give me a day or two. Let me go through the legal implications and look at the other insurance companies, which might be okay and may have lower premiums. Then I'll get back to you. Oh, okay. I wouldn't be okay to sit down here and say, fine, let's go with this other insurance company.
Of course.
So let me have time to decide. I will look through the other insurance companies and their premiums, and then I'll decide and I'll let you know later on.
Okay. You are the legal prince, so
thank you very much.
Whatever you say.
Okay.
Okay. How is your wife and kids?
She's fine. They're all fine. Fine. And how are you two?
I'm doing good.
I can see that. I can see that. Life is getting on fine with you. I can see that.
Of course, by the grace of God.
Thank God. Thank God. Well then, Mr. Patton, I won't take much of your time. Let me take my leave.
So soon?
Oh well, he's in half of that business that time.
He's a very busy man.
Please. No, I didn't come here because of lunch. Invite me.
Especially for lunch.
I will invite your wife.
Do. Okay.
Okay, so.
Thank you very much. See you. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Same to you.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
I thought you said your insurance company is the best. So what is going on? Why do you want to change it?
They used to be the best, but they are no longer the best. I don't understand why they've increased their premium so high. Is it because of this thing they have acquired?
I don't know anything about the insurance company.
We need to look at the other alternatives.
Okay. That should be ready soon, yeah?
Okay.
Efo makonya bu mama. Tabatma.
Fakukoni bro. Mi ma potoko, mi pesam. Ni uma mi otufuma na be fakuko. Kuko mbe fari bronya. Uni sa ufa kuko libre mi. Atisa. Ariebe si obesi. Ami mi katro rara semi, ami mboria. Mi mi kori na mi ko kasre na nanu re. Asaki tuwebi na nonu. Kokolo nu wa do fa kokolo nu ofambra mi pesam. afọ mi si oribari ofa kokoro bra o ufa kokoro bra na bibi osi mi fa hu uberi kukoru uri yiye na kuko be so yem woni mi kasanyo mi ko yo fa mi kokoro wa fa kokoro bra mi asana be si na tetiko Joe boy hey Joe boy ababa woni sana sawansa onye be ya mpanyimbane
Oh, Bruno Manaye, I know who and answered the crown. Same. Now, what you try to uppercut? I'm going to read it. Just say, the beginning step by step. Charlie, you can't name facing Yayadio. We akoko we yin na akoko obi enu se yin na me nam na me wi abura akoko bi a me hye ndua mani bi
ebetimi kira no ahmachi nke enko kire odwa no baako na nka yemfa nko odwa
nti wo de won sisa da bi akofa akoko ye hu ni besie ye nkonko kire odwa nso
ye no bisi bi no bisi
akoko nam agogo nam agogo nam wa na agogo na ta so hwe ni mfu
na akọ tan
efu obedi kuro ma boso
emu akra
uzu fish go akope obedi kuro ma boso
onu ni kuro ma ina o adode ọmọ ya nlo ji o ngado no
o di angado di na muton o se me ya akoko o ti me aye nu ma o mata so nyago
adabi fa yo unu kwan yo akoko nam akoko nam ya le pan aye nkan
no
how you are
strategy aye twa saka
oh unti die no pela dulu ah unti bak mati bak ni mtan ayiko
no nyinya mi na ko bi o ma mi tipofu e ka mi be bare mu wi na ni wie obi no ka mi se mi se mu be ya kukoru mi fa kukoru ti o se mi kobra ru kukoru woni ho mi yiri na nya mi ye mi ro no bi ka ti mi se mu mi be ware mo mu na bi ono mi fa kukoru ko na mba ye kwe fa kwa ti o bo ramara mi ye ka sa no be ru ko
evo udim kwa sasa mi di ko be gu enu ya
jobo ja
nguna ya kuko
jobo yo nyapte
nguna ya
jo nyapte
ami na jimi ye
yes atina ye koko
ajobo na jimi ye
efo
ekpera weroto
boto wulim nyansa
marawose
akona ya gogo
merci marawose mi nyasa
akon kula ko fi
akukoro now what nya mi kuko mi kasa
akala
ami ye buru kuko yo be ya were
ko buru wom
ni kana onim
ani voters ga ko pe na kuko
mi si mi kana onim sema ni watufu ma ho uzu tie ni u baba watufu ma ho ni mba tufu ma ho
adode na moto adode
ni kaba onim nya mi kuko ye mi kasa mi boru ya obi obra mi rani mi boru ya obi obra mi rani o bo bia mi o to bo se mi
so o bo na nyo ko so o bo bia
tira sana mi kuko
antina ho
atina sana mi kuko mi se kuko wanya mi kuko mi kasa mi ko boru ye no so mi kuko wanya mi kuko ya ba hwe ari na mi karu wati ni wani
plus na ye
u ba yiwie o ba so wo ye ni na mi kam
plus
mi na mi kama o
plus
wani u ba ya mi kuko saka chesa mani nyasa tam ye kuko ra ba yi
de o ye na ye plus
mi kama o wani mi
ba traze
o ba ye kuko ra ka chesa mi nyasa bara wate
evo bra evo ni abre oni ye ya ko kan ga o ba ni abote wa ye plus on na dia ko vi kwada ya mi ni
jo
nya
akora ka bo dua na hu
plus we are ya times and ke benya plus times no ya doburo nsem ni bebre tam plus 1 plus 1 2 about 2 years best is after us
I'm going to do a cool video.
Evo Embanung Kwangoman Embanung me would Evo by John Guano. Yet you have way dear Grandaddy and Corbett. You go for Are Unim. No, no, Namadiavan. Yes, Martin, you move your memory. Yeah. You will be a pet. Go just in it. See, I have bunny. You're quite near doubt. None of you. But you, then you didn't change you. We just had there. As you are coaching for Coco, or you could be dear. Almost free, you are bomb free for the over Benjamin. For Benjamin, so could I be a powder. So, young. Oh, yeah. I don't lose you, my bassam. I am a because if for Mummy, dear, one so office you go to Yano, don't come. Who will be your queen? Man, Cassam crosses a ninja. I go on one boon corner, and you're not going to corner. Ye to mo akon wo na akira mi enemy can say enemy wo se wo re baba me so first wo de se wo be wo e be chewu wo ba ko e wo ba di yen ko hu na ya di e be pa won chewu Joe boy a creative mind Joe boy abo from ne sana sa wan sa onyi be ye panyim bane
Hey, sorry, and Doctor Abafra now still out there. Look, we did 1 2 and crash over banner while we feel.
I read them in Kutanabon. I think as a family doctor, they are appropriate and say time to time, you may find a machine in the bush.
I know they were
That's wonderful of you. Yeah.
That's very good. That's very good. I mean, she shows the kind of life she has for me. The main reason why I'm here this morning is concerning the text we had the last time. And I think the text shows that there's nothing wrong between you and your wife.
So, no, if there's nothing wrong with me and my husband, what is God waiting for?
Okay, calm down.
But I'm fed up. Trust me.
Yeah, I think let me suggest something to you if it will be good for you and your wife.
What's that?
I think I have a doctor in UK who is very good, very good in terms of such a situation like you have at home in the moment. So if it will be better for the two of you, I want you to think of it. Think of it very seriously. Because she can do something, do something called, she will take your sperm, she will take your wife's sperms, she will put them together and we'll do transplanting. And your wife is going to get pregnant as normal woman getting pregnant for the husband. I think it's very good for
this is what they call an artificial insemination.
Yes.
And you know, every man would like to have a normal sexual relationship with a wife and produce a child out of it. So going to put this taking my step, taking her egg and then putting it in a test tube why not produce it in the womb?
I mean, it's not a good idea. I will never support this.
I don't want you people to get me wrong. In order to save the situation at the moment and the embarrassment of both of you families. I mean, considering to what you told me the last time you came to the hospital concerning the sleepless night you and how I've been having of late. And I've given it a thought, and I think this is a very brilliant idea for you to, give it a try and see the outcome.
Well, I will not dismiss it out of hand, but I think we will need to think about it.
Just give us some time, but I don't think it's a good idea.
Yeah, we need to think about it and see if we will
go through that system. All right. Fine. I'll give you time to think about it, and let me know so that I can speak to my friend in UK, and we'll make an arrangement for that. We'll think about it. All right. I won't waste much time. I think I'll leave to the hospital because I have an emergency to take care of. All right. God bless you and God be with you. But I'm serious. Everything will be fine. Take good care of yourself.
Let me just see him off.
There's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong. Listen, if there's nothing wrong with me and my husband, do something about it in your way.
Hello, Akwadaa.
Yeah,
I will be a Mumbai. A radiant and come to change your son. Be digging away, you see him. Amen. With the no pay.
I no pay, dear Bonnie Bien. I am a man and a Jew boy.
You boy, I know boy, conquer.
You went in a minute. So for Akwale, I said, I would eat cream. Yamini no pray any money. I know what them. And now we yaba was what Jimmy board dear, a bench. I dear chair will see my cocoa. I dear chair will see me play go a baby one of my. I dear chair will see sing. No one crane and no more 12 was sorted them. And then Sakura said, we'll be see dear Bob Bank. And now crane in our Jerry as well. And so, if you ask a few minutes to 2 many, one is of a penina with that, a sorry young. Till the barber two and more that woman. What flap and walk as such a mammy.
You and your day. It didn't come in our sea. His son said, Yenny penny and the dear muddy and dear son. Seneca, Krumu and Nipa Biwa, and so mena. Now what come at it? Men, friend, Ibiana, Wama. Mia me befio.
One cassava,
Mebaho. Mia minchakra mutu menaya baho.
You might already
Naming Nabacasa. Why?
It's a woman and you cheer.
And yet we would have Kuma 2 years. Drew baby,
hey, Joe boy,
or Kono and Yauko. Exodus 14:14. Was it Munyai ne Radiba Kwamam? Would you win your dean?
As well, rather one corner for Kakraka.
Radiba Kwamam. Was easy. We are so in Champo Cocona, Israel for family.
Which we can when he can, was so much to Miss Ressa, Natures and many courage. Medimacumen, you know, Mamma Nels won't tear my mother and some Enviano. When you want some cradia, Yami Bebem. Ah, a white man in Parliament.
Kuma to you. Why, Tinadia, as I would drink 1 ounce, who be Yaya, dear neighbor. Why, 2 dear, send it Tibiano, me am about. Why,
and you will be a mention, my dear.
You and every now bank.
Go buy some dear. Send it
Jim, I think we can all pat our backs for our successful operations for the first half of the year. The profits we have posted in this first half is unprecedented in the history of this company. But we don't have to rest on our oars. The sky is the limit. I know that, sir. All that we need to do is to motivate the staff to keep up the momentum so that we can even post higher profits by the end of the year.
You don't worry, I have to worry about that, sir. I've already done some small feasibility studies here and there, and where the lapses are, I've been able to rectify them. So definitely we'll make that particular mark that we are used to. Or we'll probably make much more than what we used to do in the years past. Trust me.
Good. Thanks for the initiative.
You're welcome, sir.
But I'll be traveling. I'll be on a business trip very soon.
To where in particular, sir?
I'll be going to Europe and America. And I'll be away for 6 weeks. And while I'm away, you will be in charge of all financial and administrative matters.
Thank you, sir.
I know you will maintain the discipline and the hard work that is well known in this company. so that my absence does not adversely affect the operations of the company in any way.
So you don't have to worry about that. It's definitely going to be in very good and capable hands, and it will be like you have never left. You come and see everything in very good and working order. Trust me on that.
Okay, good. So I want you to call a meeting of the staff.
I'll do just that, sir.
So that I'll meet them and motivate them to keep up the momentum, so that they don't slacken the momentum that we have achieved.
Yes, sir, I'll do that.
Okay.
When do you want us to meet so that I can notify the staff?
I'll call the meeting for tomorrow afternoon.
Like noon should be okay?
Yeah, noon tomorrow.
I'll do just that.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks you so much, sir. And please do well to extend my greetings to Madam and the kids.
I'll do that. Okay.
Yo boy. Every idea, Boko. The woman say, Nancy, Nana, the complaints be brave, Bremy. Nana. So, when baby and a Juboyu, Nelson, Nini Namuno, if he says, I'll do home, Christa. Sad Bonina, be trapped. First, Nanka, they were sorry, come on. As you could be V9, me who are sorry. First, Pa, Joe Boy, Jina Conker, him now, what? I feel the Nina day.
Someone Jamaica. Oh, my mammy once in the pay 1 month to cry. Joe Boy, not the Biami Boconca, so soft. A yabuan woman. Me son and woman, Edness and son. Nothing be 1 month to bell, pardon, Mutimikura say. More the moon and me and agent to Wama Juba. And when the printing into the bad, Amosa. So, see, Senka be Binny Cranker, a something for me or hop. So, what crime I went to make out the fatuna and any, like a man something for me, like him, Piggy, beauty. What do you mean, Amati? Near something for Bessia. Now, me perceive free Sabriqui. Oh, fuck Christus send your face, no. Bible say, Cabby, oh, free shiasi. So, sorry. Oh, I can't, Matty. Was a cannon, I'm an eye in India. Oh, ready for you, not just send it. Menai attending an ember. A yet in your way. I can't, Matty. Me, near my yard. Into me, Nana. It me bomb Matty, extra walk. It is the old son who lives in a church. Assembling around. Me, and another general. Saying, I'm pa, obeying them way. Oh, Castle Beba. Now, was through a ninny. Bible so a crab a hook as a sacra or so any j. So, why? Team Basho. It's the idea of mean to me, nipping, Miss Medrino. You and you, young umpire, if you want to say radins, why? So, I say, young umpire. Obama. Oh, would the young umpire, yeah, no jam a choir, the other medium. Why? Eradi da wasi. Eradi abano ya bebu. Akasa obetu supervisu na fifi na tini asoaba. Me do boy sha wisa. Empire body set. Eradi kan ho. Buano. So for no. Na seme ni nyam. Seme ebeya. Obeya odi akra wo Yesu di mo na ebo mpae. Amen. Yo boy. Oh, Joe boy, hey, Joe boy. I'm a funny son of Sawansa. When you buy it, Joe, hey, that's not Joe boy here. It's the American Antonasum, what Johnny? So from Pony AM say now, sorry, but you were ready. They will say, me, my baby.
You know this is a business trip.
So when will you come back?
I'll be away for only a few weeks.
Few weeks?
Yes.
Like how many weeks?
Well, if I'm lucky, I'll make it 2 weeks.
Oh baby, you know I'm alone in this house. And you know my friend doesn't visit often, please.
I see it's necessary that I go.
Can't you make it 1 week?
Well, I'll see if it's possible to make it.
Just think about it. I promise you will take very good care of yourself.
Yeah, take good care of yourself too.
On this line? Oh, come on. Hello, Tracy. Tracy, how are you? Tracy, me na be here. Yes, me going to play catch. Me fine. See, I'm on your water.
Kaya sama oka dem se de hia se be ma no na ware a wukunu no ma na ye obusu nti e ba ma mu ne de be ma no nko anya asema
de wo nim se me ma me papa ni na afim
afi na ba bi hwe obusu ni bia ni ho ne ma ne de aka se lawyer ne be ba no wo de ya be sin se kin ye ho se ne me nyina ya wo de
oka so be du haten na abo se on my
wache se bro na kwa so ba
wa otmai lawyer.
Hey, ni pani ni din.
Over there, you have a chance.
Yeah.
Akwadaa.
So for line, go slow no go on. And just in Petra Accra.
Let's say.
Nyamadum. Is a me time on ya.
Me ma usu.
That's.
Lawyer, I no pay there. You wa na ja odi abetu. Now one more thing, me was say come bra and me no faba. Na ye busu apanyi. Egu. Njo mu tutu nyoma wo ekura na so nti so ba ile obi e na nti na mama madam free aba at least oba the benya witness bi kura why
yes so there am right council no am right council I'm say you shall say on a pay ebehwe nsamanse a eja kwaten eja na me my the lawyer me na nantia for so many years no me na say me do say adwuma Ansana no I'm say I was saying Kenya branch bi ha Joe boy bi Joe boy
ni diwo
so Joe boy has a intimate kind way
Joe electrician no electrician bi oye
I'm an electrician according to what I have here Joe boy Mr. Cotton eba I'm an electrician
me patrol chini ebi awo hu sans bia company bi no bi o me
Mrs. Scratching, Mr. OP. They were them saying, and yet company and sons are saying, a son, just a bar. I was a party. Now, I'm saying, you've been taken by surprise, as it were. Now, Mr. Scratching, come behind yourself, baby. Only the commander. Mrs. Scratching, you know that.
Now only me say, at the end of this year, the miracle you will see now, you see with the transplant. No more you
Unfortunately, this doesn't talk about transplant. Let's talk about the real son.
No, my husband doesn't have any son.
Please, Mrs. Cratton.
Joe boy.
Okay, you see the woman said, anyway, there's some sale. Because Mr. Cratton, I will beg you a friend of sorry, Miss.
Sorry, Miss. I will find him.
I was anti-memo here.
Nice, who come over now?
Having more pass one more one show. Mrs. Cratton says, yes, a Branton has a hint to me in Canwell, no? Because it plays a very major role in the region of this world. So if it's not here.
Lawyer, my husband doesn't have any son. You've known my husband and I for so many years.
Actually, I'm Mama. Because if you're saying I wouldn't be here, I'm surprised.
Come here. She didn't hear.
Mrs. Cratton is strong. Well, it's like the Bible. You can neither take out nor put in. See, what is here is what I'm supposed to read. If Joe is not here, I cannot, I must not, I should not read this word. To be strong. Joe boy, when he has age in the house.
When he got into me,
Mrs. Cratton, because the way you empire him, and Remuno, our soul has intimacy with the bit you can mind. Nah, you're for the I am partial want me.
Me put away.
Want me.
Me grew up in no more 18 years. That's the name of
Mrs. Cratton.
Me run away.
Okay, Martin. Martin, meeting who do you make us almost. You very sure now the number. I got here, Joe boy, and the number. You should never knew. It was all made in a bar. Mr. Friend. Martin lawyer. Natchness. You. Not yet. I was a little too behind. You. Now, Mrs. Cratton, I have a tray. You. For all you know, you need the old no cry as of now. I think you have a try. Destroy your tray. And then that. Mr. Bye-bye. And the bar. Mr. Friend with you. Right. That was it.
Nice. You so clean you was me. Sister, I'm at Hannah. What's that? Nice. Just a cool back. Me,
Stacy, me coming, Nana. Me coming, Papa, from 17. You
me, you would dinner. I was saying you shun a chimply, Papa, baby, or was it me, Susan, me back. And yes, she would be. Bema. We are now swim me. When they were young. I had young and I'm not so one pie now quiet job boy as a one I will back. Never panic a clear. Yes, see, Papa. I'm already from sending mammy. What wanted the bank to say, I'll put you for her crown or bear 40 days. Never mind, baby, I'm a Matson or crowd, and I am when your papa. Oh, I want to know. I'm planning to look for me. Oh, the circle I told you they're ready.
People who say this year.
China yam fa na mani ahwe.
Ye ti na dia ka babua se ne akora ne ni na ti.
Our problem is hey!
Who's what they do?
No, what did they say?
Maybe how did Joe boy if you?
Next time. Oh, next time.
I'm telling you now.
I dey enka bibia.
Where's Joe boy?
I dey over here now.
Pacho. Say what, mommy, why? There's some now.
Joe boy, and ya papa we share the bunch of booye and Akwadaa.
Yeah, view. Pacho. Yeah, no bunch na me ton man. Na na wo ka ho. Anam se won fa na wo no reda ho no magine sika.
Me strong ya bunch asante na.
So we ko to a.
Wo na Joe boy na. Wo ni Joe boy na.
Me fa de Joe boy kakra na fa so ni Joe boy.
Na Pacho Joe boy no oni ana. Ni fie ni.
Pacho fie de Joe boy. Ni fie ni. Ani he ya.
Ni ho number.
Boy.
Ah,
Nana boy.
Nana wudira ho no.
Nana wa ko kire se Joe boy ni me. Chese wu yi mi ma.
Mama na ba betra se wa.
Me da se.
Nana wu yi mi ma se Joe boy mi ni e mi jina ha.
Banchero ya ba ji hu sika na proti for do be ko.
Joe boy.
Se un be ma se.
Nana my manager. How much?
Wa manager.
Nana.
Mama Akwadaa.
Yeah, I know.
Joe boy we wasa nsuo bra no.
Pacho.
Wa mi.
Yes.
Say ya na Akwadaa we di mi o.
Yo.
We die. Ano pay maybe se bi kakra no pay ye.
Yeah. Me kwa me senta. Pacho. Woni wo ra bia na friend no Mr. Kwatin.
Mr. Kwatin.
Mr. Kwatin.
Why dey?
Mr. Kwatin. Mr. Kwatin bi die na. Mr. Kwatin.
Kwatin, yenye.
Won kai Mr. Kwatin.
Mr. Kwatin bi me kai Kwatin bi.
What kind of kwan ben so sa?
Mas.
Nye me Kwatin. O hwini no.
Em say me go me.
Oh, ba tu ba bia.
Osem.
Na, nitina me.
Ha do boy. So when you swap up your baby.
Oh, Debbie, na me so.
Na wo mi din. Papa.
Chance.
Chi man first before chi.
Wo bia baba wo bi ba che wo swap up abaya ba.
Wo na che say ya de metum fi du a. Wo be di the same du. You be che the 50-50.
Papa nya ban che na sam na.
E ba ya, me ko dia. Em say owura Kwatin emra owo abofre. Anti be no hotel na chi. Na Akwadaa nse mo fast na o ha drink kakra.
Akwadaa. Wonya ni hima wadi di me enna kakra pra me da.
Ha drink da.
Wo boban.
Mani na edin me ha.
Yo.
Na em say woni me kwan owura Kwatin fast so the free come say. Wo free aso de nti. Nti o pono kra ma no ja o tu kwan. Na nyame ko shira.
Aya Kwatin. Papa. Ni wura, ni ntwa akase. Owura Kwatin kwan a wode mi afa so wokrom ha. Ane kwan a wofa so a wopo me na edi na ma.
Me ni asem he so.
Sempo amma.
Nyese obetram se Jobo na.
Na Akwadaa asodre ane wo hawo da kura yi so ne nyina beda me so. Me ne gine kura me pebi meti o.
Mo ha nyina to atwa.
Se papa Kwatin ni di na de ba e dia be me na me
so nya wo hwe. Oh, tie me mesro na mfi kwan ya tifi na bae. Mesro a odaroma.
Come sorry o.
Sorry.
Papa, oh, mam gancho. E ka kire za Kwatin se nya de obi di le boni che ne na che ne china. So ko.
Ni so ba boni nti wo free kura mu nsi mu da.
Wa bokko akose be for so many years.
Nsi mu da.
Enya me experience ni my DS. Any day by day didi ma bi no ho amede na mo a na nka mawu.
Dabu wa na akura di bia ba dabu anu anu so kakra wonya anu obefa ka wo de asoa me.
Muntie me se muntie.
Eh, Kwatin.
Da be you ama we di ni mo abota. O ba be krokro mi. O ba so a was nsapan.
Wo de
so ko
jo man nka do de baaye.
Aya Kwatin. Na me hira no pa.
E wo kuro kase ni ho.
ye nyame hira yankew.
Na de wo mu ne se Nyame atun safra.
Kwateno.
Am na tia.
Baba mo gina wu kuro kase nu.
So
Na owu ye no so.
Ye ne makwa yi.
Be me na. Aye de mesi na yi o. Na me ni ya pese bi a mi fra. Ade akotra sa busua ni na yi ase.
Nana.
What? Yo.
Nyame ye ole bibia wo kun.
Aja ko atin okọ no krechi. Wanya koda ya bo. Okai akoda yi pa.
Aye kwaten.
Aye kwaten.
Yo.
Na ne nsamanse oye ye no. Akoda yi din wo. Mpo oni ho ni ntino ye ntimi nkan.
Aye bre no.
Aye wo. Enti ba me ba yi.
Yes samanse ayi. Ya na maka na se bre.
Jobi ewu a.
Obi aye ya.
Jichimu.
Ya kenkan.
Kata ye me fe ne nsamanse.
Na ejapade no obi.
Bebrebe.
Me papa no ejapade.
Bebrebe.
Anzafo anma.
Nyabotre.
Oh, papa.
Nyabotre. Ni me nche wa ha. Ba me ba ye no. Before akokro kasem.
Why?
Wo. Me do ko sisi a. Na de wo bia na wo so de onya kwa ko.
Na mpache wo ye wan.
Me na me na lawyer.
Oh, hey.
Me na me lawyer because me kata se bi bia me na
na wo ba ye hu adi se wo ye lawyer. Oh, mama for so many for.
Na.
Oh, lawyer.
E tu wo kuro kase na adi lawyer no.
Ne kata se bi bia.
E wo.
So.
Nana.
Nti e ko ba se ke cancer man sense me na di wo. Oni ho ayeti
me ba sho.
Me ba.
Nana, yo, se me catch you se me.
Se je de
se me catch you se me. Usole wodi matem bia ni ade be ma me chiro odi fa.
Na me ani fa ba
do suma de so o mse me catch me.
Se wo no ya.
Meaning o ma de na tem sa. Wa.
Ni na so fru pa ko.
Yesu wa bobra. Nana mi be kokoro. Me to ka ma wa. Lawyer.
Anaya.
Me fa me bag na.
Ah, nti. Do mo na se. Ri jo boy kokoro. Ama ya kokaka nsamansi ano. That's the umbia no. Obeti.
Be me
Nana. Se fio ma me ho
na. Ya ho me no na be kro.
Dabi.
Onya na ka.
Nana. Me na ko bidi an.
Nana
ku. Na me ni no wo.
Ja tire ko bo abenya. Mentimi mpeja o. Sro. Sase ma me ni na chi na me ko hwe me na me ye be ma.
Do me sro tire kwa no wo twa ma ya hwe ha na hwe ho.
Se me ye.
Ka so ba hwe. Be me na ya so na nsama.
Me ye.
Atutwa se mo ti kuro ma wodi woni kwa mu twa.
Mi twa ko am de bia.
Mi hwe shi abra no wodi akwa.
Nana mi Dabi me mami o de sama mi o me na ye.
Ande ko fa bag na. Ko san ho.
Me sisa me ho se mami fa we papa.
O ya fa me ko e tikere ka na ba yin ti.
Wo de sa ba.
E be ka me o pa. I'm from the sun, Joe boy in the Brana on the Yakopa, Opana, hey, why you want there? I'm watching a catcher, was the watching it in Brana. I could not watch him now, was it called? Oh, Janko watch him now, was it called? Say, go to me, we're from River. What you want the man, away pass. Joe boy, Joe boy, I'm from the sun, as I was a son. When you buy it, when you want it. A big mix, not true. When you party, we get Japan, what it? And son, I ever channel. What's it there? I just said, oh, baby. Nancy, Mr. Party, to a son, oh, baby, oh, hey, Naya, papa, hey, Nabio. From Paminim, so you penny a minimo. Not just a one passana, getting me a body.
Yo, hey,
Where? You see him? I know what I saw for you, Daddy. The big bar, Juan Cano. Hey, Tetrobento, man. Tetrobento. Akwa. Hey,
Hey! You are the for Papa Bobra.
You got a bob bro. Abraham.
Now, hey,
I had a car.
Car, yeah. Lawyer. When you are
Hey, and I may call Miko. Lady Sam, Miko. Hey, yeah, Laya Viva.
What are you?
Hey, yeah. Hey, Miko. Hey,
if you are
a chain now,
young time.
Oh,
the beer,
a hot.
Lawyer, me papa Bobra,
brother, papa,
share.
You the young coincidence. On a pay boni bien. I'm say ye share mribino, may say a jack cotton salmon, see bet me a canya. He's in Bapenino. Oh, and she may a smack of an abba. Yamiadum, Metunia of an abba, and she now say an appreciate a share. You see me, escape to me cancer man, say no beer who may be other. Tim says she share no panel. Now you share one.
I am a patrol. William is so maybe so I said. Why would you say my one papa for so many years? Why didn't I have? It would be beyond year what media some can say, as you Mr. Quatin back. At me, a woman, the ben, you know, betting your fellow Japadia. Never know it.
Oh no.
Who couldn't back?
I'm
sorry. Back.
Mrs. Quatin, I said that you share and make sure was said. See, but now cancer man say now. It's a man of somebody can you also tell that. And who didn't share away as a everybody for phobia.
I am mad for. I cannot make a baby. Me peba to send me cruna so. About catching you, you're getting me upset up again now.
No, Miss Sonia, but try. Never try.
Yeah, but send one can I know.
Never try. Joe, you be a better one.
I just saw them.
Miss Samo, yeah, find your meeting, Shassi. The Samuka name umpire. The Cherry Ampon. I'll be doing it. The pa. They shall pay a bit dear about buying a bobo. Yes, so say. The beck can be ano. Yan can in Koboko. Macoma, a hurry and you. Maybe baby can be ano any boko. Why you be paying? I'm saying that to bet me. It's so we oh yes to demo. Amen.
Amen.
Papa, you be.
Now, Papa. Now, go on, I be paying. You be answering here.
Nice.
Mrs. Quatin and no mama trash has said. I'm say a jack quatin con creation. Which are some man say. Maybe a sham some do come on money. Until I pay a share say. Now I say 70 junior, a jack quatin, a giant, a true.
Okay, not your dijano. Offer no
to go me up on him there, continue Sonia Botra.
Yes, what am one? Nice one.
And your Bugalubia ho, Shumukama.
Cratch, come on, near Casa. I
Ade. Bin someone say, "What do you mean for me come home?" And I won't even free more. Made them make some background or the jay. She be which time is some and yet, Mom Previan Buffer, some.
What they are coming to you?
I got caught in some say the giant. The woman said, or say, Nisika, I walk if you are singing or chemu or her. A chemu or her, a more June.
Uncle Joe Boy.
I'll call Mrs. Nancy Quartin. Madam, Miss Soapy, me a lawyer.
What do you can't see?
Or the giant, and I make her meet me Fabin Cajon, and I meet to me give you soon free to Miss Sonia Butama in Yancy.
Nice.
Here we are. I do watch Akan. A corner bar, Joe Boy.
She said,
no, I don't know.
Joe Boy.
Joe Boy.
When you power Papa, me kind.
Miss where Jam a glass and we move here and Palmer who so now we give you. Joe,
Joe, so transfer. You cry. Trust.
Bama, snap near Casawati. Snassi. How do you at a butu?
Some of you can, there is a penny of you if you are the woman. The money we answer is many being and Timocracy.
We are crashing. We are crashing.
No plan out can trust. Somehow, you mean a bush and you wear me. More to now. And to grab the photo, Papa photo. Mini, I am the same I got a dear when you are singing. Saying a human odi anymore. A car, any fee, the big Pia or Jay Pia, the Japade Piano. He also called the Badger.
What's the difference? What's the difference?
Lawyer, me bacha, me wa lifi happy ana.
Mrs. Quatin. Miss Snow. Madam.
Baba bi wonu me pia me. Wonu ya busu mu abaifo. Papa de wonu ya bayi hwe na nimu abaifo.
Oba ko wa de so wa mo ade to eje video. Eje video.
Mrs. Quatin.
Onyame nim se wo ya homaso enti ne wo ama ba akokora nsa aka wo se ye hia wo enipa bi wo wanwo but nyame hwe ne yie pa but mumu de ne de nyame nim se mo ya homaso o ga jem se me ye bodamfo
wo ya bodamfo ti dia wa abusuam
yes many go yes many sika lawyer yes many pa yes many sika me ba ye me gentle nyamo fe
Obeka se nyame ncho yale fo we ba kure wo de na ekọ
enu na yale fo wanya jabade
mo cho me
wo de ma ni ki fam go promoting sa
nyamo cho ba ya
me kwa singing
ba ya wo de chance answer me se mo ma ya de mo me pa cho mo bia mo nye din me se mo pi mo nye din
ka kampa
mo nye din na me nwie me pa mo cho me se mo pi
lawyer
nsa wanse
me bi pa cho wo ba kan ba lawyer me se mo wi abo am wo ya lawyer ni enkoko
de ombia me ya mo
mwesi mi papa abami ni ho nko tufu ma me papa ni
mati ke ba ye mi hu ba
na ye me treat anka se me to me da me
o hima me strong ensa manse ayese twekunkrum nsam muti mi fa be nka ho ana wonti mi yibi firi muti mi se me de ma kan fo ti mi se mo pi mo ma mi wie de mo ba be me se mo jo
lawyer
mami na ko yo papa yire se wa be fi ha sei una body papa de me so say hwa papa no hwe nim bia no mo de aso be hwe no
lawyer
ni ohia bia no fama no
lawyer
e ba cho ti de meka no
o si me papa hwe a wo hwe no me hwe
no
ni ohia bia me bia bo no senya kwada bone no ya kan papa ese de pekura nko ampene because it's a defilement and what did ne man ne maba wasem anyuma nyama papa gro no ho ama papa wu mbofre mu is offense and also court.
Nice.
Well, we have papa because I am size. Give me one call your size. Yeah. Anybody so cast me look at show.
Me na ha ka ni mu klubu suani. Me kan. Me ya wano.
O be fi ani na say go ba pipe fi ha o.
Me sermon.
Me be paper.
Na eja. Me sermon. Eja kwatin sama si oja ya no. Etentune ewie ya no. Enu ni. Me sermon se bibi wona sama kan ne e kire no.
Now that me fear.
Me
papa dan no. Me fa no.
Ya mo tre me chocho ni na. E se me se me chocho.
Solid church.
I know, men are very no.
Yes, the idea is that one fan to what if you talk. Ya me shira. Se me hu se japade ko tu ko bra man na media. Sika so no se me tie class ni nyansa.
Nyansa de wudi.
I get sense past there. You be a beer, push it. Yeah. Mommy, why are you right?
Yes, some slow and start to grab me patrol. A dear some.
Who doesn't mean If you me feel, if I can be jam. If you me feel, if I am not could be thank you to be a dear mammy. Send a hat and I'm papati. I had no papa da. Share, empa, share, and you see, we see, and could not try reservoir sour ha. Reservoir could never ha. Aye. Aye. Damn for first hour. Hey! So then, dear Gayum, Dada. Fleet. Elcom. Make it a many betty. No assistant near me now. Elcom a demo. You run a shift. Make your run a room shift. Coho. Maba, Hamin and Quad, Sinamia, my baby family may see them now. Hey! Look. I dear crown who in the son. Sophia, call me so easy. Amanda, Mimi can free me, madam. I'm a good idea. Missy P. Namina, Cocoda Dana. Me buy a movie, mammy. Me to buy a dear crown of me. Only a machine. Me tell you, dear mamma, me down to swallow so I accept. Mamma, mammy, where's a metro? Where's a metro? Down the amount that you do. The animal is 20% a Jessica. Only have gone for me to pass it. Master Sammy, no many there, Fia. Master Sammy, no man, me the not show your fat. Better. We buy a plan, I can say, and your come and call us in your room, mammy. Nay, free of ya, and can jump. Went to me and cast out my jump. And you're meant to it. And they are not the bar. Hey, come here and old bone. Maybe like in our body. Hey, who to blow? Nonsense. Hey, Papa. Baby, I'm Papa Denny. Kunya reservoir, fridge. Me buy mammy. Yeah, drawer. When did you catch himself down her name? Share Sicampa Scout Company. That's who be that? Why? Me see me a pretty me that man want to me. Maybe I won't. With the hand is over TV. Maybe I don't call that with the hand of me silly. Silly, what the other who get TV? That man want to women here when you miss a comment there. Say, yet, they also called down. I'm assuming that.
I'm saying, I can kind of jump out in someone's in the now, Scano, what do you more? I will pay a due until my head did not do money at a quarter bank account, and I'm sorry for one money. Now, Minister was it a young days can a bear bassa. Me senya me say o ma wontin fanya dwumaden na enya ma homo na so wontin fa mo bra tina ewie me frewa na asem kakra ka wa
me das pa che at least media kakra na wu motimi ahunyansa na akodi ma account na me de masem ni na menyame papa hata so mu pere be di masem mama ni pa bia ntimi nka me hwe obi ntimi nya me bibia wo yes e che se de me kom wo me fie wo lawyer ni se enche so to se me peda ha na se me pe be bia tena na e nukre
adenti wo be tu fie ho e de ama jo boy ade na ko so fie amini
me amatu awie na mtia
adeni
Joe boy do the feel. To the extent so me and pa me me kunu dash. A damn walker Joe boy tomorrow say me koda danke to him.
You don't mean it. What to a fruno kunu paso? A from what them? And I saw man quite. Oh, I see a Japan BBI. There should be a limit. What?
No limit to be. What pomme me freedom?
Jesus Christ.
Now, any jam the TV asin, and any jam the TV coffee in a way. Lawyer.
Okay, I'm answer. There will never come a time, and I ain't drew baby. I will make sure that you stay in your husband's house. Okay? Regina, mommy, me and I'm a cock of our friend free and grassy by. When you just say, can't be actually into the mommy, I will speak to him. Simon, see, you've told me for the first time, so trust me. Send your word you do, I'm a custom chair with you. You leave that to me, I'll talk to him.
What a lawyer, with us, this kind of come accounting. Teach them a bank and a mark of say,
oh, I meet me. Joe boy. Me and Kwa, who heard him? Oh, I see. Whatever it is that I have to do, I will do it to make sure sanity prevails in Mr. Kwatin's house. This much, I will do.
Antinye kube. Na se kube. We say mo hwa manebu ade na ya mo ntino. Mom, quite a packet castle. No more, quite a woman packet castle. One more to put one more bush. He's the accountant. He's the one accountant. Not just say. Yeah, no FM station was wrong. It me buy my catch on some band to one now sumidi. Mobile mama near. More. Moon shall say now sumidi some about. A Jumauda, River Pana would be a jam, Monka some about. Monshas ya na mona su na sumidi wa ubeba betra no one na sumidi biano you are fired may you ready I'm so Mati Adane siwone nyam papa dia. Sem se asase dia na wana ne bohye no. Opini ne bohye. Mon kan chance won tum kope dan ye betunu. Ne ato aka ye dia no ne ade ho aye. Eh we dia dia. Sports study. Hosun papa dia. Also enyo papa dia. Ho dia aban ne wan. Me papa usika aban ne wan. Ese se ye bugu ne atu aban ka ne de sumi pu. Na nkrofo mo beto patu.
Baba restaurant, I bedi the hotel, I bedi no. O manya baby ajale. Aban ne wan. Wan ni aban. Masa, me pesa me catch mo na me ne mo ye adwuma. Lawyer. Wo mo na me ne wo mo ye adwuma. Aye nyon kasa kire. Enye se bia me cheche o ne ma obi ye ne mo ho. Ne mum adwuma wa mo ani anya dia. Work is better so.
Boss na say we nya ani adin se mo. Ye dey ye say adi bia to yi.
But you can me ba ma fa to achu.
But say we no aban dia.
Keep quiet. Any aban be kasa na aban de ma ya. E fa ho.
Mati ye dey be swimming pool ama.
Okay, let's go. Paul, we Baba Nesi.
FM station on the pole.
Eti muma kwa de bibesi ha. Muma kwa de bibesi ha. Mulla trifa de no abuo bi obesi su bi enkiki no.
Boss ya
tie mulla trifa de no abuo bi obesi su me na mbema le baby ada. Afo me na mbema o baby ada. Me na mbema o baby ada. Kai. Oh, I'm from a factory, Mumba. Yes, sir. And only a day I will turn. Mamma,
as your foreign investors, no buy a hair no more.
I know more. Good job. Papa, let me make it. Yeah.
Boss, we're prana. Boss, are you boss? Boss. Oh.
Aswa. Aswa. Eti mo ti me hwe ni mo ma.
Boss.
What you mean?
Communication, telephone.
Let's be very careful. Manager. Ha! Everything yanko. Tina papa wuyi. Entina mi papa wuyi. Won di panye ti se mi bedroom. Be ni won why? Enye my friend. Mo bu adama na se mo ni su na bi mo. Obi an so ni na ho. Everybody stand up. Nonsense. Eti mu se mi fiti ha mi be. Ha mi be mi di a general manager chi me be can we me and quick obi sorry na machia good morning sir mumu bia ntimi anya sa na Joseph na wabi nonsense
manager who is this man? Please quiet, he's the new CEO of this company.
Who ni man what's the man who party play part very well. No let me talk to you. Who play part very well? GM suggest you. I say, Opat, play no play.
Boss. Hey, calm down. Hey.
Papa, me no, Papa.
Calm down.
May you ready?
Boss.
Umba papa. Over like I don't boss.
Boss,
Mr. Enko, it's a problem. I suggest you tell him to calm down.
Please. He's the new
Don't tell me nonsense. Don't tell me crucial things like this. Idiot. Two and four.
Please, be seated, ladies and gentlemen. Be seated, please.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Anyway, I'm really sorry about this unfortunate incident. You know, as I stated earlier, some few days ago, we'll be having a meeting after our late CEO's demise. And we have in our midst this new man here. And you seem to see him as a stranger, but unfortunately, he's not. And he happens to have taken over this company. You can see him as Mr. Joboy, the new CEO. So, I will please...
Not common CEO, just a Jumawura company.
Yes, not the common CEO, but the Jumawura. So he's now in the person of Mr. Joboy, the new CEO of this company. So if you should see him within anywhere near within these premises, I would please ask of you to give him the necessary respect that you gave to his late father. Thank you.
Oh, Excellency, what can you say? Yet here say, we will be okay with Ghanaian. Many Jumawura. Me papa, me and I make papa we or the Ashamisa. Say, Munimwa. Now, me be a reshuffle. Me be a reshuffle. Me be system. 18 a Munimuno, or be Kikan Assembly Chabo. If you are Papa, what do you mean, man? Eh? Me come on Swati. From now, today going. Who's a opinion? Who meet me 101? Now behave with me. If you can face in your far, I'll sack you that day. Pain! As man who met me, you might know, conform you know, I'm a coma, coffee beer. Tea, Nipaniana. What is it?
Jealous.
Many of you, Mason, what is your? Hey!
Please get up.
Hey! I said the money answer.
Mr.
Thank you. Better. How are you? Your name, please? Susanna.
Everybody.
You welcome home.
Mr. Joboy.
Yes, of course.
I will take this opportunity on behalf of the whole
take this opportunity
company
to talk to me. Okay, talk to your
we welcome you on board.
Okay, nice, better.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
And the person we can say, I Papa on that was some view.
Oh, what that? Me every year be so and now before there 8 to 9 months, Opia flower. Dear Fenin and come on from cotton and so.
Make no idea to match it. If you be brave, you don't know as a chef from Petiacy.
Yes,
I might do my bedroom paper. So
why you might move this can
now, Obuadi,
yes, the same year.
now, Papa, Ojo, no brand of us.
Serious,
my fire shell as so. And you are more ding, and you are come apart. Yeah, too much.
When you say, more, I are
insulting us.
And to your Pesawa Bay said you now, Papa near Tiam. Sapa Pepe, and your Pesa, we, now you're sweet me, do you boo be a fata, a mom. Near dear more ding, a year, Juma, near the mom.
That you may do us. Me buy my own. Yeah, only Papa, deputy. We will be by you, we buy my own. Me do it. Papa, tell me when you say.
I'm the accountant.
You know, we can see.
Yes.
Now, because I see with each other, you know. We are both very white, no, but free one. Mighty, God mighty.
Mr. Enku,
God greater, not mighty.
Shut up and I'll talk to you.
Yes.
Please keep your mouth shut.
Better. How are you?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. The said you are no more come. Me magro, me shoe. Tina me the agro.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you move with it.
No problem.
Agro, me new do better. Here, from now, I'm for woman, Miss Midi Woman, what? No, who you are human as on TV, yes, consulting, on super consulting. What's in America? Be a funny penny, will be the pay, GBC, Kim. Bomber, what's not? Nemo, what's with him? Secretary. I am him. Aye. Let's go. My phone will be on fun. Everybody, quick here. From here and go and work. Move by my phone. And then it's too much. Sorry, maybe I didn't do that. I'm in the office. Mr. Eko. Secretary, come. Follow me. Follow me. Am I yes and the word name? I'm young watching. Pressure for Bebe when I'm 18 and the social. I'm 26.
Now, why here, Diana?
Shut up. Who are you, my brother? Secretary, follow me.
Okay, sir.
Why you when you that I said the ATL?
Financial secretary.
Only financial secretary. When you said you were a bomb.
Gentlemen, please be seated. Be seated. Be seated.
Oh, madam. But I can say you are sassing me. Oh, you think I'm dirty?
I'm doing what?
You are sassing me.
No. So you said you are.
Yes, of course.
She's there.
Mother, catch your boy say, Mama. What's your name? What's your honorable opener? Okay, I'll come to be you, pa.
Madam.
Oh, fine. Look at how. Why do you? Some bad very good.
What's my big mommy? Why? Some numbers now. Come make way. Make not a mistake. Tell me. Why? Tell me.
Me say, Joe boy, and I no go pan me massa. O massa. Me ni net sorry me so. Me ni Akwadaa say bi ni pana pa ni me. Wo hu si be pia wo be mu ahwe.
No say from say.
Ya frame me din. Ojo honorable opana. Masa bra ya bre pa nkuko ye wi asase so.
Ni amumu dia.
Atisi ye so enye sika.
Sika de wonya bi.
Masa bra ma bre pa ba duru ha no. Ama mi
Mpontu.
Oh.
Sika de wonya bi. Je. Na me kra bi gate ma worry.
Ni masa be bi je no onye mu ma banko do be yumo. Obe yu fi gate ma juma. Me ka chiro me na da. O me be bata. Come on, be dey pie. Eh, do why? O ba mi e be dey pie. Oh, dey pie. Do why? Go.
Itri na ye. Na sin yakora mi mo ba bi ntra.
Akwaro pe no ogu ho sa.
She. Aha dia sa o.
E dey habo wi apio papa. Alo pe no o tam tatra sa ro. Ka. And from. Hey, everyone. Omuni dia no pe ye. Eye yo omuni dia no pe. Yo ko we ho. Sa. Eye. Oh, Anna. Yeah, you're right.
It's me a phone could japade pa. If you would see me pa. What's my job boy way at it so pa and I know to every feel. Hey, not an away, sister.
You will never understand. Oba. Stacy, me see one tear said that. If we are saying no mommy and son, your dog any Jessica. Minimi kunya brepe. Men ya bentishe. On a page of a dear. Na nyumo dia yemi wo fie ho no samia no me ba ya me sima me ba bi ntina kakra no wo de odoso na de James ha na me kan nyoma jo boy de yemi wo fie ho a oba ka se be fem
ya for the
dia ha me kra ne se wo de me de bibia chew se yes will say ya fa bibia ma me dia ma nke jame nem pa me ni me kunu da so kra minna suna min kai papai
wa jempa no she na wo dia man
I was so bad feel no chima na ka che ne se na ne papa da soro nti da owura da mo ho no ani so pie heaven
na wo jama no
mende
boni amre dodo
ewi asa fefe de he fa ne de ko ye premium ho no he fa ne de ko at the end of the day no wo jale na se wo da mpema me ka bibia se wo TV enti me fa wo phone en kan kira wo car so on call bank no go use sika no sika fan call doston for that do eno kura nanje die kunu wi ase kura ama me kuna japade me se me kunu pin kura nya makon woni mfa ye te ewi aso hu obi adi ni lem but ya na homaso eni wi ase afefenti no ya na be yo so betimi afuru lem akodi obi lem baba be disu wi a na bo se sa lem no obi ani mu de woni so ba ye nyina de japade no on de japade no first that would do me pro company one oh manager nda
papa ni munyam fo fefe
adane me man this can share one yes you juma jo boy edi papa no titino chese jojo papa wo we kesi nyina nim a mimi kunu wanye bi da me papa me fere no kra
papa no ya ne den
yes what owura company obi sa papa na ko kambro oh say no why this me papa company me bi so asa just on at prof what the prof class say ya media yes you mo di my very crowd me we see am buy Obama me ntra me bed why me di am me na
na ha me ba wa ka mate ha no mo de me nko ana mo ha me mu miniba minni obia minni kunu bi betimi atna ha no mo akosi bra wa be kasa afedie trace me vese me de me to free ha minni ha enti no ha no mo do betimi atna ha me mu ni kwa senka wo manifest
sorry no pa em so sorry no pa sa no hu ajapade fi otim no hu ka me ma me ka te mi de bi so onim so benya no wanya na fufu no
eye de besi bia o se de asida mera de nemu Nice, they met me a catch on the Sikaka crown and win ya. So this can go to bank. And yes, can pass. Oh, Pedro may be a fire. Who is the can ye business and no one be yet to say. Nyame, a bit to us, or everything I mean, say, what must show when ye ya, papa. One more put to me could ya so when you knew him. And Tinyame be a choir man, I deal this can be a piano. A baby, you have been yesica. I'm a fear and I know couldn't look. I'm proud being at the assessor. Don't say Crana and come on the kitchen over. But to say, yes, one say, fancy Dubai, Dubai. What you say? Sikano doors will be to me. Meet me at your shop. No quaba. A year to Guma, I say, a doom for I'm from on the sun as I was. When you bunny, my shed down with the mobile. Jim Zawati, and summer. Open up, right? You catch yourself, Kumasi. You are the prayer. Kumasi, or even my shed down the main amount. Can be beaten to Mammy Hill Plan B. We will be very old gods. Oh, Valley. We are not there. You catch yourself, I am aha. You drew if you are then Mimi, then you now. I had a boss. I Friday. I had a France sports hotel. Yeah, sports hotel, anyhow. I have boss who Kumasia Bontelia. I had a milk in Hangazawa. They ain't check, I ever started. Almost but Namsia sell Kosuha. And to ban on Baboha. Not the addition on instruments in the one. Honey sports hotel. A boss of rough. Kumasi. Near St. Cameron Boko. I had not made the mobile when you begged. Bra, go away. Dinsa. One number to up Pitosa. Wait a minute. No. Joe. Aha. Joe, Papa. I have found you, found you, and the boss I can. I had the one behind the channel. Ose, only didn't get back open. Is that on some woman, Papa? Oh no, what do you do? Over can you? I want to have done. I mean, no. You. Open, so dear. When you're free, baby, you're free by you. Only problem. Miss Minnie, Joanna. Oh, yeah, what day? We know the woman's son. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm more or that the one is an number one, what to call Soya di Mua. No, I dare Shaha. Most of the cooking with Umian Ghana, you much was but a bad day or so, or say fine, or capine. Of a boy, Joe. Monsieur from Cindy, okay. Joe, so they be one, me, I mean, it's no, me, like I said, me, show, and I'm a CBS. When you said Joe, Tina, what I do, a cabia was so booby, or so be boy, or some of me go me home. What's to the problem? Several. When we are one come on, me money, kebab, sausage, why you beg? And who is sausage that? Open and call you at my life in us. It is sausage. I quite say, oh, no, I am, and I see a different boobing. I didn't have I see a who believe you. And yet you will me. I hold your dear as your friend sausage. Sausage, but who now? So wonderful from the ha. I have a gazette. Abandoning here, me do. Martin, church on your ministry. May they be an abbot in the German. Oh, Bama! Flow the music, flow! What's up? Music flow! Meja odoma we bi ana meti broni kro odo so bubu mi nkwensi ni be se ma ye chese ashada so na mekano ami adoma ashada so na mekano stick at adoma
Ana mi ti chronique, odo su bubu mi kwensi ni sama ye chrese ajada so na mi kanu ami adoma ajada so na mi kanu stigata adoma ajada so na mi kanu sawa ko ta na be ajada so na mi kanu ajada so na mi kanu ba ai zebra.
Who is that? And how do you almost about blue? Go from home. You know, I spoke of them. I don't know, friend. I never been to a man of power. Wait, you would hear me, brother. I mean, I love you. I love you. You are no dear papa, but the magic. Yammy, never power. I do more, and then you should have the power. Na mimi mfami panisanza isabe fianza sadi emi 175
mama beti mi huwa metro mi
obana
isa mi no abrabra inu wa mi no odo mi mami confused yes mi se dada se mi pabeba ya na try
Joe boy, abofra boni sana se wansesa. Onyi beye penyimbone. Joe boy, eh. Joe boy, abofra boni sana se wansesa. Onyi beye penyimbone. Waka fa Joe boy frekrasia bakro kesim dia japade ahye nso. Abofra boni wenye japade, hey. Asembe no besi. Joe boy, our remu beauty contest. Joe boy, abofra boni sana se wansesa. Onyi beye penyimbone. Joe boy, sikadicious. Joe boy, abofra boni sana se wansesa. Onyi beye penyimbone.
Come to my office. Yeah, come to my office right now. I say come to my office right now. Like the office yes it's here. Me make some church catch so yani. E dey na we. Eduma na we. E won eduma. Come to my office. Nonsense. Accountants, you called. Eduma no dia. Eduma no odia. Unim kwanto eduma no faso besi o. Don't make rough. Oti. Mempa grodi. Tete me catch on. Mempa grodi. Me frawa. Make sure say time am dia frawa. Ubedua. Eduma o ya, why eduma? Na me frawa catch am say, o ya eduma. Me here checkbook. Me here 15,000 Ghanaian cedis. Yeah.
Which is come me honche. And my yana me sense come on. See cash work account to look at credit. And no matter good pop say, I will see a claim your man free. Now so you see ka semunti. Intimate claim
Accountant. Ukrobli.
Sir.
Ufrehe.
If I fijabo my say.
If you jabo my.
Yes sir.
Accountant. Eduma no. Ko paso we show komo. Hey, enye ma be good pot one. See be you, see you, say be yeka o, say nyeka o. E concern one.
Besides say, si ka do cry me de ma o. Minima dia.
Shut up. Me de crane pa bones. Me de sikan e crack condoms. Nonsense. Me be sikan uni me de na me hey.
Sir,
I'm
an accountant for this company for so many years. With your father, I built this.
Hey!
This very company.
Hey, that's it. Actually, let me tell you. The person with you say, some catch your music. Let's say only young say you are fired.
Me you it.
That is all you can do.
Yeah.
You can't do anything to me.
Yeah.
Than to fire me.
Okay. Okay.
And I'll be happy.
Go on.
You know what? Go on. If you fire me, you will remove a huge problem off my shoulders. I'll be very happy. Thank you, sir.
Nonsense. Who do you think you are? Tante, papa, we me papa and share so. Some papa will one for an account. Yeah. And then obi abadwum fofra oye ni bibia o nti na nei reshuffle o ho o ya me ya reshuffle wa adwuma me ya reshuffle nonsense.
Well, the fact is,
Mr. Income,
my problem right now is with my MD. He's trying to play a hindrance with the company, and it's not easy trying to get money from him right now. But we need to go on with the production, like I said. And I'll forward the money into your account as soon as he releases the check. Please. Dude, I'm counting on you as a friend. We've been doing business for a long time. Okay, you know what? You do what you can do. But I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Yes. What is it this time?
There is something going on in this company. I'm not happy about it. How long, Mr. Enko? How long are you going to sit down, watch this boy destroy everything we've been toying with Mr. Kwatin for years?
What does he want this time?
Can you imagine? He called me in his office this morning. He asked me to sign another check, but I refused it. I told him point blank to his face, I won't do it. I will not sign it.
And is the check in the good interest of the company?
That is the problem. That is the problem. I don't even know what he does with the money. I don't know what he does with the money. And I've been telling you this over and over and over again.
Just give him whatever he wants. Just give him whatever he wants. You know what? We are even having problems with the harbor authorities right now. And it's not easy for me. I'm just too confused. And it's like this man is also trying to give me a fake head.
Eko, are just telling me I should give him the money. I'm
just do whatever pleases him. Please. And I'll find time and go and...
I'm disappointed in you. You of all people, what we should do is sit this boy down and talk sense into his Tommy head.
Do you know what? Do you know what? You just leave him to me. I'll talk to him all in good time.
You better do.
Keep your peace. You just go to the office and talk about this particular.
You better do.
Let's go.
Joe boy, Dana, you can't hear me. You see, I mean, nice now. This is the mama. I'm a mention. The climate, which way did you come to us? Paper family, I had it. And then I'm so my papa, you never do to me. I didn't because we shitting me and I'm ship push home. Don't be saying that's when you say, I did this one. And then I don't buy the paco. Oh, you see, I am. How are you trying to say, when you never have a with him, Joe. He said, you would. Mimo mepenya play what play me come on me inside the ade obo da de ho ase de ho mo to ye o ka se da bi ko ji ba me nsa na bito ye je mani nyama edu ye lo ni asa di wu so bi ye o mu invite me program bi as me call me board the microphone me me ko ni am fa even me go say ah and then media because we must be nice to share half and one and two money man my one day
Yo, Jersey.
Nanka be da no se o we ni ensa ne mo emu mo ba bi.
Ensa e blue
e marbles e na ipija ko ya e tu otu gum se. Ya no doka.
Yo. Nkoma na mi dio ma mi pie nti. Sisi. Enu me nyam wonyi. O so wa. So you pa. E kan.
Ari ni ami.
Ne jaye ko bonten kura ba ba na duane kura ofi.
Minia.
Ra.
Am ga se mi cho. Bitie. Awale ye pa. Ese se be me bia o wa gen so be wale. Wale kura na ni sika nya hwe. Bayo. Na emu nsem ne susu.
Ene mi awe pa.
Sisi mi ba krum na mahu se. Krum for man. Obi a pe ba bia. Hode.
Ene ko.
Hwe, uni o nim se nyame. Ena ma ho de pe japade yo.
Bia mu
hwe papa ne pe. Hwe ko for baba. Fe no obetiti mi wa. Mi papa sama kra da kwa. Obeti awre go se me bayi. Itinya betere mami na me de mani agaji. Me de mani agaji village e oni mi bia. Sa afra no so de mi nya na chiri de da.
Be o Ghana to.
Se de
you are him.
Aduamel na unka aduamel. Na no mi se bi ni aduamel ne.
Be you do abro aduamel.
Sa ma abro so.
Abro so. Are so be pe bi se aduaje na fe di twa.
Sa
no ndi abro so kura.
Ma abro ni pa.
Sisi be o ku bi e hwe ni ato ba o di wachi o.
Ese mi na me siesie ni.
Debi wo siesie. Wo siesie. Aduaje bra enye yi.
Adua sempro.
Ne sempro.
Adua mo refe.
So wo hu ni mama wo ye enye yi bra. Mama wo ye ten enye.
Ya se krum de wa ba krum de be nya mo ye mo body wash.
Ya ore. La. Ban. So bi hu no so ye okra o hwe oba odi wachi apɛ na anu aka
o de anya ne yempie ni madwunu by now dear sira wa
be pese madwunu de me pese me yense wo di ye se ekofo ba bia me na organize na ma checha pamphlet ni ade ade ama ma mo be beat contest wa ofia na won kata wat mo
fe ni wa me ya kume
de me yaku
mi mama mesala ofia na mi fa mani hwe bra
hwe na ka se aya president for me am say na match pass ye call match pass mo match o ka de o mo ko bi
sa
hwe secret market no o so custom for mo match prison for mo match ma o sugar for mo match it o dia wa ye se nyina no ofe before the land no between no to show
no ni ofe
sabe ni mo pese na sabe ni mo pese ni if I dream back, let me organize you.
Okay, what do you make the best chance? Make the best chance. What?
Zero.
Make the best chance.
O is all quantity.
Me go back to my. Me go use car for you.
It me ko e gas na.
Na yi bibi ha why?
Okay, material.
Me sere wo, yes say no si tum rika wo krom no. Wa da wo ma why?
Bram rika wa wo kaya. Meti nipa di. Na nipa bo ho na nipa ko na nipa be ka wo de. Dem we say my yard. Boy ya bra. Let me atu. Yo! We get the go visit me. Oh no. Miss Cockway.
Is it you?
Yeah.
Wow, Miss I can't believe it. Look how you're looking very good. Wait, is this your car?
Tina, oh, Miss Cockway.
Wait. No.
Is your boyfriend one?
I don't have one. You know, I'm managing him.
And then I was just saying, Miss Alpha from you, wouldn't you?
Okay, Mate. Dabio, train will carry wine.
Look, since a real school said, look on me, show baby of you. SSB, show baby of you. But see, you are looking good. Very beautiful.
You know, beauty is natural.
Okoko on your bastel pa. Hey, Miss Kokoi.
Yes.
No, Koi.
I'm waiting for a cab. The guy is coming to pick me with a cab, but he's not here. Wait, whose car is this?
My car.
And what do you do?
Business, of course.
No trouble. I'm just
No problem.
wondering.
It's a business car. Yeah.
Wow, you're looking good.
You're looking good. Perfect. What a smooth body. Hey, Miss Kokoi.
I don't believe this is your car.
Why don't believe? Yeah. You was couldn't anymore. They don't see any Jimmy over brow. Yeah. Time changes. Miss Kokoi.
Wow.
Oh, nice.
What a nice car. Oh, nice to meet you.
Where's any still message you my dear? No what? But look, live you. I just passed me shall them and the right time yes shall so many years. It's look and come over. Live you by a boy mean it to him. Gentlemen, Nankasa, or to the trust.
Hobbies about cash.
No problem, no problem.
Okay, let's go.
You are my old girlfriend.
In your car.
No problem. You don't worry. To what's the car? To what's it? To what? To what the car? Hey, Miss Kokoi. I say you look nice.
I still don't believe this.
Look, what is boy? Street body. Come and sit down. Miss Kokoi. Miss Kokoi. You watch it for the first time. And then you say, I will be not see. But every day say, yes, will be a young one. One in a bonnet, Miss Manuel bonnet, but I can't you never in to wear it. Can see. But it can nice to meet you and then look. Because I'm business. Business.
Okay, everybody is nice.
Yes. And you'll be happy. As long as you'll be happy. Look, the nigga I didn't know. We have a proper. Oh, Sika. They say also over here, beauty contest.
As in modeling agents.
Not a modeling or put your one. To a yes, I now bow official where you come. Very good. Oh, the needs is over to that. Now mentioning. Thank you. Mentioning the body. It's the entire who na my foul after comparison. Who you nip out warfare? Who that took it to one warfare? It's no so beauty quintessence of mental nipa judges no. My judge. To the American fana.
When I judge.
Thank you.
Listen, me really.
I tell me, it's me pursue. But don't call. I constant no meaning. No, yes, over one. But Jimmy. It's not the other man chance.
But Jimmy say I was taban.
Oh, mommy, SMP.
If I do now, ye
Mammy, or ye yara for no. Tell me to me nipa or ye yara for nothing. On your but not piano and coach you. Will be all that you could your cover to be to another. Thank you because of money.
Martin.
Until we're stupid. We need the oil. It's me, Nanny say, the person don't call. Now could date you. Now Tracy Cadeba. Now Tracy Cadeba.
Tracy Cadeba.
Yeah. What this kind of bunny is here? Because you know, honestly, I still love you.
I
still love you. It may pass up one in the quarter. Now this cake, a dipper. You should hear drop a day. It is near me at home. Let's eat me a drop a day. Much more free. Me and Shane drop a day near because only a mini public near.
So you still love me, then why will you let me do that kind of thing?
It's a business. That's why I'm telling you, it's a business. It will very a bad thing to say me will be a condition scandal. I won't accept that. It will, if it's all crowd, the OG scandal that's what fit one. I like to say go. That
you be can you go book my account man and send me the bill?
No, Miss Coco, it's teamwork.
Get it?
A teamwork. We need problems with this kind of go account, but I told you say scanning both you mean me dear. So a business is a teamwork.
Okay, so then we put it in my account.
No problem.
Okay, then I'll do it.
It can be your account. It can be my account. No problem. Only we have to understand. That's all. And me, I think say the same thing to you have already.
Okay, you were saying you still love me.
Into one, we keep now, okay? Nice ladies, it's a pressure to invite you here. And usually you know what I come to do here. Oskari Joe boy, now he wants to marry. So, he's going to choose one of the 8 contestants. The one he'll be crowned this evening. You are the person Joe boy is going to marry you. Give a big applause. For the first, you are going to choose 4 of you. The 4 of you will go to the finals. And the 4 of you, you go home. But we promise you, so far as you are here to contest, we have a nice parcel for you. Come again? Thank you. Mr. Joe Boy have promised a nice gift to those people. They will lose on the person who win. You say chewing gum? Okay. If you want chewing gum, he'll give you. If you have has or tom, he give you. So these are the rules. If you mention your name, Constantine, number 1 or so, you just stand up. You mention your name, where you come from. Then you walk and you spring yourself so that we can see you well. Then you go and sit down. Until you get 1 point. Yeah. So now I'm the judge, and at the same time I'm the MC. So good luck to you all. Thank you very much.
Eja na akwa hin. Yo boy. Kwa hin.
Me koko to ties me nya bi.
Wa nya bi.
Ya bi mama nyewe mama nyewe. Ya free kwa.
We je mechi.
Da bi esa na ma ya Akwadaa boni. Me du achipra ni hia panyi bi a. Bobo kubo.
Yo boy yo ya Akwadaa.
Yo. Mfa ko fie ho.
Mfa ko fie.
Ne mama me na ase a nti bi a no me du.
Yo me du achi. No nyina yakọ.
Every day, ukwa bi aso onye biane. Na dia bego na wudi. Ene maji. Ko ton dia bo me ho hwe. Banya. Ka je so a enyem a ene bi a different boy. Ko ton be bancha obabre wa ko tu. Ga ko du. Papa no phone.
Yama hai.
Yana. Debbie or ma,
me feel for mu ba nyama me de ba wa je nyama so de ba be si me fie onfa mai
onfa ma ane ko ani wo ko he no
ane me ko na na ho akwa akopam ni ma mpa jo na na sese ma hu ni nyama na aso be si ko mu ha na kura enye ni Ago ina aso na mi ya mo che na ko ba yo se jo ba wa he won fa wo ba bi wa ma ko afuom me so ba nche ni bode ni mi ja mi hia wo na ne wo so ko no ma to enu ma to ko ya so won kura no ma
wa jo boy
no wo se na obere na fa ne me ma me kwa me si eye meti wo so nana wo bere na fa ma me da ne ma so adwo ba ma be duru fie wo so adi be si mo me ba wodi manim afa de me twa manya me twa me hwa me ki woni wo ana ja me de me ba fie me be duru ho ane ma nyi wo enti ma ba me ba
Yes. Baba. Mampu pia beba. Bona. Baby girl, now that I know I didn't say. Tell her how me
I'm watch my no.
What's wrong? Nada. Me can't jam say you well, you young for nice.
Anya she, me here.
Obanya ho sa ekum nipa papa. Minimo bi adwendwe ne kum. Oto den how ye cause we do a problem. We need problem. Kiti.
Sawo.
Ah. Me mpa me to a me kwa me disumi e na eda. Kasa makati.
We are so bad so kwa ware na sa wanwa. Na yesa wo de bucket akonsuom. Ekosensuo wan fashiamba. Ubechi se anu pen. Because I'm coming to me, but I'm here. Come here, or I see will be a shop in the
I'm not crying. I'm book your friend. Catch him. No, they said this one. This how they know my but no drew.
Tell me, see me, Bamia. Whatever me says, and one me could not. Me who is sappy. Me worry, papa, me is big. But some of it now, or the foul be a shame is a baby. Wouldn't see a quiet testing. The same results, Nana, about. Testing said there is nothing wrong with me. Me couldn't so hand.
Nada.
So ni baby papa or boy or tia for dropping no kubu say rather man say. Bonnie ben. It's me benin no more warrior sisa no matna. A warrior sisa me wo would you mean walk to a big crana? Papa and Fred you mamma. No in the benya. It's so Fred you ma or pono bebana me shimmy. Busu me swa me di cry nko.
Nice.
Se me booming sa na ye me sumi arewo ni atwetwe. Ade. For how long? And I mean besu atiti wo wi asesa. Interesting.
Nice. Ye fa bibia merade. Bible say ade nya me fa asida mo merade. E bia me nka se de aba no. E na ye me do. Nyame nimye ye no ye ma ne na. Nyame woni wade ye ma wo na wo ya no. Sister e bia wo pepre wo ho se wo ko wa hwa wo yare fo. Ada na wo ntwe na awurade ble wie dura. Wo beche ye ba ko ode amaye. Sister ko akoma tu ye. Na me no. Me de e ha adwen so nkan ha bebe san se be ma no won tete na me problem pa ni sa sha. Da che Papa free mo busuani they say what else the hu busuani o
I mean, I first saw my dad who flew say king, so any people have a fair Japanese and I could baby. And only idea may me dear Hamu. It's not a very good dream and who cry. I Japanese cry anything. I make out say trace my man, sister, but I saw Japanese anything. Omuje Japanese in Nania Pamumisia Bonte, my family bag be seen not come baby shimage. My family bag is in a come so me bansa, meaning said dachi. Me no me dakwa me baby be shabe. Me mama ant na say mama nhwe no. Erade nche me ba ko wate. Nancy. But then for bibia merade. Na memre. Me pie wona so pe, oda ho kejasa. So no na emi kwa. Si ne ho so. Ha wotimi boy dwuma ball pow ma wa hu sa no was that. Ne pow na wo ka wo. Na ni blue yes na. Make a dream what they are come take up a peso. Eh, what did you know when I saw what you want from me? No, what in taste, I know it's no, we and I am Komobi man, Komobi, I am Komobi, like a baby appear. I baby, radio, what did you mean? You couldn't miss him, no, me do what you had him, mummy, about it. A ratty chimney about what? Never pay me one room. It sounds like 2 person. That's a shame, man. That's all year to my home. A ratty chair about why? Chair back. Couple by now, baby. Maybe be a hinting. Yeah, for now. Young Mary one. My young question no more. Now, one near my maybe so curious what you know, ma'am. Also, one doing you share me. It didn't be by you, thank you. And I'll pay me Gary some banner. I'll pay the other person.
Nancy. Nancy. Nancy.
Yes.
Please see who is at see who is at the gate.
Oh, okay. Oh, Maya.
Lawyer. Oh, lawyer friend, you are welcome.
Thank you very much. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Until I'm a veteran. Or far, no, my far. Or far, no, my far.
No, go for catch on an island.
Now, the Banjim Gramia. See is believing. See is believing. The young need to want dance here. I catch him and I say, Mammy was solely with 2 bunches, trouble dear. Wouldn't you crowd for being yard? Well, no matter to nominate train. Katadia can swim for my dear uncle. You have no matter today, I will hear Muswato. You have no matter. She come on for the above. Ah, so to come on for the above. Say, so don't put the above. So, me, come here, Jay. If you are born a Kuno, are you a better? Obi a quarter go a passion. Atama will our quad sack and tema, a cotondi, if you are born a Kuno. I may know me. Why may I know a man near me and dinner be a born a Kuno? This I first a while. I mean, we are not. First, why ain't you calling a fool? In Zona, the Kuyabi. In Zona, be robber. In Zona, the Nibum, and a conjure and a pie. In Zona, I don't need born beer. I don't need to deal with you. Mrs. Zona, the Bobom, Madame for no, me, did you cram me, flower mushroom, maybe. And I do look me. Massa. So are you? What the heck can my man can't ever. Anna, no, oh, wait. I don't know. I know. You have been out. Membesa, what you women do be said, Membesa. In Mechi, is a corona in the room. In Mechi, go by Mechi. In Mechi, my enemy. Nobody.
ja musu asem ja ho jira ho na da say ehe na say wu fi ho ba
kwada mi free
bra na mi musa wasam
ye ba se
wo ma me nya me cha ba ha se sia sa wo firafuo mu ba wo hia no agye ne niam sa wo de kwa akogya no wo fie banchi ama body ama eja ama aduane na wai
o se wai
ma me nya me che wo na nya me che wa ba
ene ebia na ye nam daye no daye mu no kasa na me aduane de me de ye de
jo boy
anama nana yada na ye mienu yada na ye so daye mo
ewrade
nya me na me nya me che de banji de me de kwai
eti che se ma me na sam na oba fie ha na oba kan ni wo
na me so banji na ya me nya sa de no kra nye tumi ku akra wo
mi tu ku asa wo kan na wo sun tumi ku a ene ye se no akura wa basa na wo foko me
ma me wo me so banji ana me ye gale aduma
che se ma me na sam na oba fie ha na oba kan ma me no wo boa wo
no mo a me ye sure see yada na ye kase because you know it
Sabe kotu sa jo boy na aha so wi jo boy ti banchi automa mi ti eye
ade
inti banchi wa automa mi eye
ede
ade banchi na automa mi no rafi me me fa me kura for me sika ma mi o banchi na automa banchi na atensene no me fa me ede atam na wo ka
me ye banchi me na me manufacture banchi
sa na wa ka
me na me ye banchi me na me bo banchi
sa na wa ka che bu rafi so na automa banchi ni ma mi inti dai man pa to de ma mi ni ndi hansa
eduni uko to kumasi boda ana kejeti anka abasa de akọ
wo to banchi na wa man bu saw ana wo se banchi wa fo mo banchi ti banchi na eye
etimi ye kurufasa se banchi no be ya de yana be
yo boy me pa cho fa mi sika ma me
bas ewla kodi na pesie
me kodi na pesie ka chi ka fa le ho anya sadia me di ba ya wo we be fi wo
if you hanging me again I will destroy you
nde wo bua Mr. Woody, Mamma, I'm a semi-cocker report to the Central Police Station. Maggie Buffalo cat, 6 cochino. So, Woody, man, warrior, Buffalo. Now, my friend President says, I won't know my moon, I'm by your referee. I don't know. Buffalo, Libya, so be so and come at the bed. I'm also for President. My friend President says, Ma, who by your referee, Chrome her? What did you get?
Where I want to quickly near the own president number.
Make part on me the message from Sika. I'm a Sanka. I'm a banchi, Mamma. Banchi. Oh, Banchi. There be
well, a mistake. There's a bunch in no way.
And you may come now, cratching me. No way. Missy, I name come now. No, I said, why you're rougher? I said that to me. Why you're rougher? I said that to leave me alone. Mr. Family Man, but what's up, boy? You want to bush
me kwa ba o kasi ana me ba ha no ano
enyamia nim say ana me ya de ja me so me check me lines oh why a fe
go for pick
me ya ofre ha yo
no me ya ni ben de ti say enyamia ya me
ya rade
bon sample ho ma fre ha ya me
ma fre sister me ya mitimi hu
how are you
sister bompa na me worry be me nua awo pa me de wo sam ni sumi anada
si akade
me ho nya fe na de
me na nso ene bia wo so awo system kakra
de me sem na me sem me mpa be me de
o mu se mi wura wa ni de so boa
ene wo ji wani wo
papa bi
kasa na mre ya we ya mama ho
ya me pacho class o me misika ni adwuma me pacho wa pa adwuma ye can you believe this
oh chef ye pena why was why ye kese do enye
sika same
me nya ya kampemu
mati se here ya pa na me experience bi de
na na se bi so wase na ya na sa ho sa ha me yumnua Hame, me dem da dwene ho pa o be se bi sa na. Me nim se de me bi sa, me nim se de o be si afasa.
Say I was a man with throw from.
How,
Miss Throw.
I would no cry that send me the meeting. Now, me say, Papa, if you say, who worry in any way, me who put any beard our way as well as possess a man for. Sister, I want to make dream of me. Let me read print when you're Busiana. Sister, you want a hammy pan, Pissimi who had the crop of the pan. My dinner was
and my name how family, and one who could. A bumble who can understand me, woman. Don't to what you
into so to only Kuma, who near soon you.
Me, why you won't be who be? Namino, the Bustana. My couple was in a bush, you must have all country, all country. I worried for so many years. You have problem here, but you need be a meditate or not so much bush and need be a dinner to dinner. Maybe my bush and smother hammock. When you be a madam, a pamadias, and yet, as a honey. I feel Papa. And I was saying,
hello. Love, how are you?
I'm fine. Can I bear my young
But we are more than fine, jealous.
You're jealous.
Oh, say a normal time.
What
that's Tracy, now me buy anything now.
Oh, there be me for sure the book crew from Mamma Come. Why? What do you from? Oh, there be more. Oh,
money out, why?
Be try.
Hey, confirms that there's nothing wrong with us.
So what is happening? How many years in this marriage?
It's so confusing.
How many years am I going to remain barren? Even if there's something wrong with you, how old am I?
You know, since all the results confirm that there's nothing wrong with the two of us, what we have to wait is to wait on God.
For how long?
God's time. God's time is the best. God's time.
I'm a woman. God, just bless me with only one. I'm not asking for much. And for how long? You're not getting younger.
Yeah, I know. Let's wait on God.
Should wait.
Oh my God.
wo Joe boy agya besim
eye me nana Joe boy
Joe boy
ehia wo eye wo ma me nyame che ajo ni e ma so odi koja wo fie ye wurade hu me mobo wate wo ma fie anopa wo to pia fa agya bra me mu
na fra na ma gi me niema ba bere wa de me ko afu mu ko tu banche ope body ani ja e ma na Joe boy me fia no fa ma wo fa
na huna man niema eno nyame che ba apa oba papa
dabi mesra dabi niema dia wo nsra me magi me niema eh banche ni mankan ni bo ba bere wa mi ti okura me te fom magi me niema
mi sa wo te fom minimi sa wote fom dabi kan wakoma to
na akoma de men kan je so na ne ba ha o de nyama ne besi ha
sesi ai woni fie so hu woni fie sesi ai a wo de niema na aye de aba ha enso e bi kura na bia wasan wo ho
dabi wodi mani so wodi mani mo woni maki no wasan mo wodi mani na am so di na ki manu de ofai
wo hwe mesra kan wakoma to yem mi an kasa me kwa abonten mu makwa akopɛ no mabusabusa ne namfofo no ebia wa woni mene no ma tutu ani na botutu sese kwa wogina baabi to tai na ne wi afri ne ho sa ne yema ni si ho
ene wa ka mate me ko be dwan me na se me niema no wa mfa ma mi fie di a ene de besi kurom akora enye ani
kwa ko mato ye de medie kura ka me de bebro wate
ne mate
enti wo de ko me kwa akopɛ no wa
pene yo ka me mpene wo kura wo no na na
me dase
me gim bank ne mbo de
dase eno nyame che dua wie o
ya nyaade
yeah Joe boy be kumi o me ti we se ma che me hu nya men ka kura mi wu na Joe boy na akume mi wu Joe boy na akume atete e na sei ade che sei we di compre we di charge we di compre eh Joe boy oh wo ba na so ade na de bia wo te wo ba bi nka ame nka hwe ne ma ho fa ne ma nko ba bia me pe na kakra ade apre ma me na
Yo.
I don't know what.
Oh no, you me shime. Na me hwe ni banko. I don't call him.
Because you know somebody can say man ka say ye meso agani bi. Je wo de konkan. Enti mi ka be kofi akọ ze wo ha. Na ki akọ so a. Na odisi.
Ede ade a.
Ajo. Why bibia na?
Ede ade na me disi.
Mi pa na me no. Mi do me fro wo ye mo
ele onyo.
Na nyesi ka wo he.
Yeah.
Ndi o anu we edere wo.
O de watch me aye. Mi de mi didi ma dwene ho.
Are.
Yeah. Wani bia de bia be didi kwa.
The way that.
Hey.
Jo, nanchina mo ni ayi ye fan say ayi
ele wonyo.
Wunya ho.
Blog nyane wo.
Wunya ho.
Mi nyeska.
Over my chico.
Me ko soja. This time me soja. Me hunu se quick money on de nya de me soja bia.
Is where the scan. Salam pedon che.
Be se me nyeska.
Ne ma mi nche ba ko mi.
Yi ba ko pro. Yi ba ko pe na ni bia scan free.
Maria.
Si yi ba ko pe me di godidi. Na nam no so a wo we no. Duabo bia ba mu a 50-50. Ha? Aye.
Duabo say. I go wi ana.
Ko buza ma me no chi se mi wi ya na me toy.
Mo ja bo mi se dia yi
me share da bi ba kakra. E kakra fa dia o.
No ni enu e na couple ni we re ni se na me 20 as
ni ka me be try kwa mi ni.
Chome. Na o ma mo fi. Na ona na. No me tijo okam onu obi ku to onu wan ku.
Anam no we design a show no.
E ba ko no ba ko.
Where the camera is saying?
And go me in my program. Who is going?
Bro, no, there, Unim. Is many Merwan in the ebo?
Me was saying.
Merwan, I'm no humble.
No more.
Fairness will seek a bone to man. No baby, a mission or how you cool, no magic. We say, Mamma, or two nuncron. The banshee. Anna, me beating is a medical jan. And I'm a G banchino. And I'm a good sure banchino. And I'm the other to Illinois, and I'm the Biaton, and I'm the Akaso Koto. Oh, by a really gub. Adria Bobia by 50-50.
Go away.
Ah, 1 minute. The reading in Africa, I
didn't know from two. Mammy, you know, to come a great name into the greater Wakotoma, me a young part. But I said to my own.
Oh, man.